Hiya, Michael here. Now, you know there are some absolutely wonderful tutorial videos on YouTube. So this is a video, how to learn from YouTube videos. And before I start, there are two things I want to say. First of all, learning is of course an activity. If you're an active learner, you're going to be a better learner than if you just sit back passively. And if you have a good strategy, you're going to find life very much easier. So that's what this is about. It's about a strategy that involves watching the video 3 times. And I call it the 3A strategy. So let's have a look at that. You're going to watch the video 3 times. The first time you're going to watch and look out and ask 3 or 4 questions that are going to give you the big picture. And once you've got those down in your notebook, you're going to watch for a second time and you're going to answer those questions. And that will give you most of the detail that you need in order to do your learning. And then the third time you add a little bit more information and then you've learnt the fine detail. You've got it down solid. And if you like, you can afterwards go and have a look in your textbook and add even more information, diagrams and so on, and maybe page references. Okay, so let's have a look at how it works. So I've decided I want to learn something about electrolysis, and I found an absolutely first-class video. I've watched it and it's given me 4 questions. Here you are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 questions that I think this video is going to answer for me. So I watched it once, now I watch it a second time, and here are the questions. I've written some answers here. By now I think I've got a pretty good idea of what electrolysis is. But I want to go down to the 3rd level, the fine detail, so I watch again and I add more information, add diagrams, make sure it's nice and bright and colourful. And by the time I've done this, I reckon I know pretty much everything that there is to know about electrolysis. Now, if I want, I can go to my textbook. So what are the advantages of doing things this way? Well, first of all, I reckon it makes you an active learner. Instead of just sitting back and watching a video, you're actively watching the video. And your learning, if you notice, is going from big picture to detail to fine detail. And that's got to be good. Also, the way that you're making your notes makes revision very much easier. And I think this is wonderful, you know. You can work with a study buddy and you've got ready-made questions and you can give great answers. If your answers are a bit shaky, your study buddy can give you cues. So just going back a little bit. Here's the question ready-made for your study buddy, and if you give a good answer, that's great. If you're not so sure, your buddy can help you out and they can maybe ask you to draw a picture. So there you go. An absolutely brilliant, I think, technique. How to learn from YouTube videos. Okay, hope you found that useful. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember, learning is an activity. So use it, have fun with it. Michael signing off now. Bye.